Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Tesla. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 1st of October, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 22nd of August, 2025, our system has ranked Tesla as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 8.44. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 35.13% since we first categorized Tesla as a buy candidate 28 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.25% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock has broken through a broad and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating an even stronger rate of ascent. Should there be any pullback, we now have support at the ceiling of the recently broken trend, specifically at $453.27. This level may present a second opportunity to capitalize on growth. According to fan theory, $533.16 will serve as the next potential peak for this trend, representing a resistance level that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change if 41.12% over the coming 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging between 14.68% and 39.22%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects an 8.10% change. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between a decrease of 43.43% and an increase of 19.98% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $259.91 and $551.26. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, Tesla stock upgraded from buy candidate to strong buy candidate after Wednesday trading session. The Tesla stock price gained 3.31% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 1st of October, 2025. It rose from $444.72 to $459.46. This marks a fourth consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see whether the stock continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 4.86%, with a low of $440.76 and a high of $462.16. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days, and is up by 7.89% over the past 2 weeks. The volume also increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 24 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 97 million shares exchanged hands for approximately $44.62 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $488.54, while the lowest price was $212.11. Currently, the price is 5.95%, or $29.08, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Tesla's headlines today reveal a mix of immediate challenges and long-term strategic opportunities. Multiple investor lawsuits and notices from law firms introduce a legal burden that could lead to short-term volatility and affect sentiment, particularly concerning earnings and guidance. Operationally, a senior IT executive has been given a broad mandate to overhaul Tesla's sales model amid several executive departures. If executed effectively, this move could stabilize distribution and margins over the coming months. The market dynamics have shifted dramatically with the expiration of the $7,500 U.S. electric vehicle tax credit. In response, Tesla has raised lease prices and stated it will not reduce margins. This decision has resulted in a stock increase, but also poses a risk of short-term sales weakness, as illustrated by a 25.6% decline in Italian registrations in September. some investors view the end of the tax credit as a potential long-term benefit for Tesla's scale and pricing power. Bullish perspectives also highlight advancements in robotics, artificial intelligence, and energy initiatives, such as robotaxis, the Optimus project, and energy storage, as potential catalysts for a multi-year reevaluation. In conclusion, anticipate short-term pressures from demand and legal challenges. However, the resilience of margins combined with successful execution of technological and sales reforms may support a more promising long-term outlook. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 26th of September, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Tesla an outperform rating with a hold action. On the same day, Deutsche Bank also rated Tesla as a buy with a hold action. Earlier, on Monday, the 22nd of September, 2025, Piper Sandler rated Tesla as overweight with a hold action. On Thursday, the 18th of September, 2025, Goldman Sachs provided Tesla with a neutral rating and a hold action. Lastly, on Friday, the 5th of September, 2025, Morgan Stanley rated Tesla as overweight and recommended a hold action. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. Currently, there are mostly positive signals reflected in the chart. The Tesla stock exhibits buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal emerges from the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support will be found at the levels of $439.97 and $375.85. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 25th of September, 2025, and thus far, the stock has increased by 8.52%. Further gains are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 13 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 41 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 38 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 23 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 63 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 89 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $410.04 and $395.94. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, Tesla finds support just below today's level at $410.04. If this is broken, then the next support from the accumulated volume will be at $395.94 and $350.84. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, exhibiting volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $21.40 between its high and low, or 4.86%. Over the last week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.74%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tesla, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This notably high PE ratio indicates that the stock might be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 22nd of October, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 480 thousandths of a dollar. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to guide your exit strategy. On the downside, Tesla encounters its first support level at $410.04. If this support level holds, it could provide a promising entry point anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources indicates a sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of September, 2025, James Murdoch conducted an insider sale of 60,000 shares of common stock. On the 12th of September, 2025, Elon Musk executed an insider purchase of 17,536 shares of common stock. On the 12th of September, 2025, Elon Musk conducted another insider purchase, this time acquiring 116,948 shares of common stock. On the 12th of September, 2025, Elon Musk made yet another insider purchase, acquiring 290,501 shares of common stock. On the 12th of September, 2025, Elon Musk also purchased 332,908 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is positive with a ratio of 94.75. In total, insiders purchased 99,553,357 shares and sold 1,676,367 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $443.65, which reflects a decrease of 3.44%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, leading to a heightened level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 78, further amplifying the risk involved. Additionally, a buying signal has been identified from a pivot bottom that occurred 4 days ago. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Tesla exhibits several positive indicators and has broken a significant upward trend. Given that the stock is in excellent technical condition, we consider it a favorable choice at these current levels and anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. Our analysis conclusion for this stock has been upgraded since the last assessment, moving from a buy to a strong buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, October 2nd, we expect Tesla to open lower by $5.33, starting at $454.13. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.